Rightio, so on this episode of Ford Rangers, we will be installing this catch can. Okay, we do have a bracket here, which we have to work out where that goes. I did just quickly lay out this pipe just to see some orientation stuff, whereabouts maybe. Actually, that's where that bracket there goes. So, pretty cool. Yep, and then if we just put that down there, that looks like that'll fit there fairly well. We just have to move this around a little bit, possibly like that. Actually, look at that. Yeah, that's exactly where it goes. We'll move it around so it fits better, but I'm fairly sure that's where that goes. So this looks like it's a very straightforward and easy kit. We do have another little pipe here which will go back into the intake. So I'm assuming from there. Which way would we go here? That way? Yeah, this is a very, very easy kit. We do have our drain pipe and our bolts here. So I'll go and get myself a pair of pliers to pull off some hoses. Got a couple of hose clamps. We do have, that feels like a tap. Yep, so that's a return, that's a drain tap. A couple of bolts, washers. Yeah, this is it. This will be easy as. Okie dokie. So if anyone doesn't know on how to get these them type of hose clamps off, there is actually a special pair of pliers that is meant for them. So these ones here, I will show you how they work. So you go down, separate it so it's wide enough, go down, hook on, and then just keep going forward. And then once you release it, it won't spring off and get you in the face. So yeah, this kit looks really, really easy to do. I'm actually stoked with that, because last thing I want to be doing is mucking around with a heap more stuff. So we'll go and get this back one off and probably mount this bracket, mount the catch can, select the right orientation, and we'll come back to you. maybe if the orientation was about here further. And also maybe if it was up. So that's naturally where it wants to sit, just there. Well, that actually feels a lot better. That's not too bad, there's no kinks anywhere. This will go straight into there. I just don't really like that, just sits out in the open. But I mean, it's definitely not going to touch anything. We might put it underneath some of these pipes maybe. I just would have liked it to sort of go back with the same, because now this one's sort of sitting around doing nothing. We can move that down and clip it on. But I would have liked to have it follow the same orientation. Maybe it can. Oh, maybe it can. Zip tie it there. Yeah, we could do that. We might actually... Let's just see if this hose is the same both ways. I feel like it might be a little bit different. Wow, that fits a lot better like that. And then yeah, maybe if we were to angle that just a little bit, that's going to help with this one. Yeah, I would say we're right there. We'll just zip tie that to there. I'll actually unpick this zip tie so we probably can still utilize that one. Clip that on, hose clamp on either ends. Yeah, happy days. Okay, so let's just put that down. Okay, what are we touching there? We are touching the chassis rail. So we need to go that way. So now we'll clip ourselves in. Okay, so now we'll go down here and we'll just rotate this around. I think roughly about there will probably be right. So we'll just slide our hose on. Slide our hose on. We'll just have a bit of a look again, see what's happening. Not too sure. It seems about right. This one here seems like it's going to be a bit stretched maybe. So we'll just angle that around one click. Yeah, that feels really good. That feels really good. We'll just pull our bolt up here. Now, it did come with enough hose clamps to do those top ones as well, but I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to use the factory forward. Righto, so we've just loosely zip tied it here, so that way we can still service it. I don't mind if I have to replace this zip tie every time I've got to service it. The cost of a zip tie is going to be next to nothing. I'll be able to see how much oil is in here from the actual catch can. That's it, all mounted up, nice and sturdy. Put the engine cover back on, the shroud back on. Happy days.